Hi folks, I'm here with my friends Charles Heflin and Erika Preuss, aka Technology Goddess, and I was told not to turn on the video camera because Charles is talking about what's the name of this product going to be called?
Synd, SYNND.com,
Okay.
short for syndication.
Yeah. What we're talking about is a pretty heavy-duty application that will allow you to, Charles, just give us a super brief explanation that's not like confidential.
Basically, what it does, or the Synd network will work on or capitalize on the core of social media success, and that's the syndication of good content.
Mm-hmm.
So if you have a good piece of content and you want it to be distributed net-wide, you know, across different communities, one of the fundamental problems is having your content syndicated or pushed out on a consistent basis.
Mm-hmm.
One of the things that we've sought to do manually in the past is locate people who are communicators and evangelists for content, find those people and network with them to build a group of people that have a common interest in sharing each other's content. And that's one of the driving forces behind social media's success, is these friendships that we create with evangelists and communicators.
Right.
And what the Synd network will do is allow us to come together as a group of communicators and evangelists and share each other's content for one common purpose.
Got it.
And the sharing of content is basically the unspoken culture in social networks, like Dig, for instance. Nobody talks about the fact that, you know, hey, if I dig mine, I'll dig yours, but human nature, it's there. It's the law of reciprocity, in
Okay.
effect.
Well, tell me a little bit about this, and then I'm going to ask Erika a similar question. For an absolute idiot who doesn't understand what Dig is all about, okay, like something like Dig, because you're talking about Dig on a larger scale here. How do you use Dig, and how does it help your cause as an evangelist online, or marketing mantra?
Well, how Dig helps you, the more digs that you get, the higher up the chain, the more visibility you get within the Dig network. And people that are particularly interested in your niche or market in Dig, that find your content good, they're going to blog about it. They're going to link to you from their blog, and they're going to market in their other networks, and it increases your visibility.
So let me ask you something, Erika. And your website is technologygoddess.com.
Yes.
You've been using the prototype. We'll ask Charles here in a second, but you've been using this Google prototype for Google Labs, and where they actually, include Dig in as a ranking factor and everything else.
I've been beta testing a search option that shows you what the search results have been through StumbleUpon and Dig and some other bookmarking sites, and what the feedback has been on the sites, how many stars it has, and you can hover over the link and see what the user reviews have been on it.
So does this kind of verify what Charles is saying, is the idea of curating groups and syndication is really a cool way to build a network and have your own kind of group of kind of cult evangelists?
Well, one thing that businesses often miss out on in business social networking is that you can use Dig and StumbleUpon and the social bookmarking to actually promote, like, your Kraken theme cluster DNA, your actual business genetic blueprint, which are the keywords that your business wants to promote and own in your market share. You can use these keywords in the title tags of your articles that you want to syndicate, and make sure that you tag it with your keywords. As you put these out into the bookmarking system, you're going to have relevant links back that support your keyword theme, support your theme cluster and your overall theming.
Got it. So go ahead, Charles.
What's interesting about that is the fact that, people in the past have traditionally been interested in inbound links.
Right.
And it's still very important to have inbound links to increase your search visibility and rankings and all that.
But you can't focus on that by itself.
Yeah, you can't focus on it. You have to consider the other element now, which is social buzz, the social buzz factor.
Right.
And we're seeing evidence, and of course we don't have any direct corroboration on this from